Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make my elote inspired pasta salad. Okay, let's get started. So with my pan set over medium heat, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to that, but you can use any oil you want. I'm going to let that heat up a bit, and then I'm going to add 12 ounces of frozen corn that has thawed out. If you want, you can use fresh corn, it's up to you. Stir it often and let it cook until it's nicely charred. That will take about 10 minutes or so. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. I love this so much because I love corn. I could eat corn every day. Corn and potato. Okay, now that it's finished, I'm going to turn off the stove and set it aside to cool. While that's cooling, I'm going to cook my pasta. So here I have a pot of boiling water, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. It's very important to salt your water before you cook your pasta. I'm adding 1 12-ounce package of pasta shells, and this is the medium shell. This is what I like for this recipe. Of course, you don't have to use shells. You can use any pasta you like, but I like to pick something around the same size as the other ingredients. I'm going to cook my pasta for 10 minutes, and after the 10 minutes is up, I'm going to take it off and drain the water out and run some cold water over it to stop the cooking time and cool it off. Okay, let's make the dressing. So to my bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of sour cream. And I like to mix this in the same bowl that I'm going to mix everything in. I'm adding 1 cup of mayonnaise to that. The juice from 2 limes, I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin, and half teaspoon of salt. Whisk that until everything is well combined. This dressing is just so good, I could eat it by itself. Okay, now I'm going to add the pasta to that. The corn that I cooked earlier. One cup of crumbled Cotija cheese. 1 bunch of green onion, and I'm just using the white part on the slightly green part, and 1 cup of chopped cilantro. You're going to mix this really well until everything is combined. Okay, I know the traditional way to eat pasta salad is to eat it cold, but I don't like cold food. And especially this pasta salad, I like to heat it up a little bit and just to make it warm. Not hot, but just warm. But before you eat it, you have to put it in the refrigerator and let it chill at least an hour. You want all the flavors to marry together before you eat it. It's gonna be so much better. Well, I really hope you give this recipe a try. If you like Mexican street corn or you like flavors like that, then you're going to like this one. If you enjoyed this one, please give it a thumbs up. Every thumbs up helps to get my videos out there. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.